Exercise 1.2 of real numbers. Very simple exercise. Express each number as a product of prime factors. Prime factors means product of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. See the first question of 2, which one I am doing, 156 and 5005. These two are I am solving. 156, this must be divisible by 2. The last digit is 6. It means it is divisible by 2. 2 7 is 14, 2 8 is 16. Next to 39. 39 is divisible by 3. 13. The prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. This is the prime factorization of 156. Next 5005. This is clearly divisible by 5. Last digit is 5. It means 1001. Next, it will be divisible by 7. 743. Next number divisible by 11. Here is the prime factorization of 5005 is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. All the numbers are prime numbers. This is known as the prime factorization of any numbers. Question number 2. Find LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integer. Verify LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. In this, I am taking the second example, second question, 510 and 92. You can find the HCF and LCM by any method. So I am using long division method of finding HCF. 9 over 5 ja 460, 50, subtracting and 92, divide 51 ja 50, 42, 50, 42 ones are 42, 8. All of you know about the prime, find the HCF by long division method. 2, 2 4s are 8. Here HCF equal to 2 and finding LCM 92 and 510. This is also by long division. 2, 46, 255. These two numbers will not cancel by 2. Both were 5, 3, etc. There is no common factor between 46 and 255. Therefore, LCM equal to 2 into 46 into 255. Now, you can multiply, you will get 23,460. Now, verify the result. Product of these two numbers, 92 into 510 equal to, and HCF into LCM, 2 into 23,460. This will also equal to each other. 2 to 6 at 12, 46,920. It means this will also the 46,920. The product of two numbers equal to the product of their HCF into LCM. Question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integer by the prime factorization method. 12, 15, 21, 17, 23, 29. These are 17, 23 and 29. These all are prime numbers. Therefore, the HCF equal to the 1 because there will be no common factor other than 1. And the LCM equal to 17 into 23 into 29. In this 8, 9, 25, there is no common factor in this. Therefore, HCF is 1 and LCM is equal to product of these three. But 12, 15 and 21. See in the copy. The prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. It means 2 raised to power 2 into 3. And 15 equal to 3 into 5. And 21 equal to 3 7 ja 21. Now taking LCM. LCM is 3 is common factor in these three. So write 3, 2 square and 5 into 7. Multiplying this, 2 to ja 4, 5 ja 20, 7 ja 140, 143 ja 420. This is the LCM. And HCF, the common factor between these three, only 3. 3 is common factor in this. Therefore, HCF is equal to 3. Question number 4. Given that HCF of 306 and 657 equal to 9 and find LCM. Here I will use the formula of finding LCM is product of two numbers divided by HCF. We can find the LCM. The product of two numbers divided by HCF. Two numbers are 306 and 657 and HCF equal to 9. 9 cancel this, 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36. And multiplying these two numbers, we will get the LCM. 22,338. The next question number 5. Check whether 6 raised to power n can end with the digit 0 of any natural number n. 6 raised to power n end with the digit 0 cannot be end because the prime factorization of 6 is 2 into 3 ki power n. It means 2 ki power n into 3 ki power n. The prime factorization of 6 is 2 into 3. It is a uniqueness of a fundamental theorem of arithmetic that there are no other prime factors. Other factorization cannot be possible of 6 raised to power n. So there are no natural number n which is the digit can be end with 0 because there is no factor as a 5. Any digit can be digit end with the digit 0 if there the factor is 2 and 5. Question number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Prove that it is a composite number. Taking 13 common. 7 into 11 plus 1. 13 into 77 plus 1, 78. So therefore this number has more than 2 factors. In taking common 2, we will get 39. 39 means 3 into 13. It has more than 2 factors, 2, 3, 13, 1 and itself. Therefore it is a composite number. Similarly, second you can do. The last question number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Sonia takes 18 minutes to complete the one round and Ravi takes 12 minutes. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at a starting point? It takes 12 minutes, it takes 18 minutes when they will meet again in the starting point. First complete 20 minutes and second 18 minutes. Now taking LCM of these two numbers. 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 12, 3 ja 36. LCM is equal to 36. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. So they will meet after 36 minutes. It means it completes 3 rounds and this complete 2 rounds and they will meet after the 3 rounds and 2 rounds. It means 36 minutes. That's all about the exercise 1.2. Now you can solve. Thank you.